Digital products, such as eBooks and software, are intangible items, distinguishing them from physical products that you can actually touch. Recognizing this difference is essential for setting up your business effectively. By selling digital products, you can create or acquire a product once and resell it to countless customers. This approach greatly reduces both costs and effort when compared to managing physical goods. Moreover, digital product sales eliminate shipping and delivery expenses, streamlining the entire process and making it cost-effective. Automation is vital in facilitating these transactions smoothly. Grasping the concept of digital products is imperative for successful marketing. It empowers sellers to identify their target audience and understand the distinctiveness of their offerings. In addition, organic marketing proves invaluable for connecting with potential customers without substantial financial commitment. This strategy focuses on attracting individuals via engaging content and effective communication. Establishing a personal brand in the realm of digital product sales sets you apart from competitors. This strategy fosters trust and loyalty among your customer base. Clients benefit from a comprehensive branding package, which includes premium mockups and multiple landing pages tailored specifically to their products, thereby boosting their market visibility. This service prioritizes automation, allowing clients to manage sales and customer interactions efficiently without needing costly technology or extensive technical expertise. Furthermore, the service features affordable pricing, offering a significant reduction from the original cost. This accessibility, combined with lifetime support for ongoing queries, enhances the overall value.